Hello everyone, we are going to discuss this task 1. Okay, so that was part of 1st April 2023 IELTS exam writing task 1. I am going to do in this video, and let me introduce myself. I am Monica from IELTS 9. So after learning so many things from my video, you have to subscribe and give a thumb to me, okay, in liking. Let's start this video. This, as you can see, this is, yeah, definitely we will learn vocabulary for the maps also. I will just explain each and everything, okay. Stay with this video till end, okay. So here the question statement says, let's read the question statement first, then we will analyze the map. The map below shows the development of the village of Ryemouth between 1995 and present. Okay, this map, this is according to them, this is one map. Okay, but we will go for these two maps, 1995 map and present map. Okay, so past, present. There are two maps here. That is in past and present. So always look at the tense, which tense you are going to write after reading the question statement as well as the title of the these ones, this table or chart or any map. So here past and present comparison. Now first we will look at the past, 1995. So how we are going to analyze the question statement and map? First we will look at old one and then we will look at the fresh present one. Now the full screen is like that and map is still here. Okay, first we will read the upper portion. So you can see the direction they have given. So it is always important to use the directions in this kind of writing task 1. So north, south, west, east, north, south, west, east. First you should know the directional words. Of course, these 4 words they have used, it means you have to use these words also. Now, so this is center, this is north, and this is towards, and this is south, and this is eastern part, and this is western. So apart from these 4 directions, we will be using, so what is in this direction? So this road and houses are in northwest direction, and farmland is in northeast direction, and even this also you can say at the central or at the eastern region of the map. Now here you can see this sea is in southern part of India or south, and these shops are in southwestern part of this map. Okay, so you can, and hotel and cafe, they are towards south and not exactly in east. So southeast side you will be saying hotel and cafe are there. Okay, let's analyze. So these were the directional words. So towards, one farmland is here, forest park is also there, and of course at the end sea is there, and inside the sea fishing port is there, and fish market along with that road. That road is going from southwest to southeast. Okay, and along with that road shops are there on the left and right side. Fish market and cafe is there, and hotel is also there. Now along with this road, that road starts from this is northeast, northwest direction up to southeast direction, you can say. And along with this road, what is that? Housing facility is there, and lot of apartments you can say are there. So this is your first 1995. Now what about the present? So present, now it's important to look at both the maps. At present, instead of farmland, they have developed into golf course, and instead of forest park, they have removed it. They have constructed tennis courts. Okay, so here you can see a lot of houses they have developed. So instead, earlier there were 3 and here 4 and here only 4, and they have developed a lot of housing facilities. Okay, yes, one more road they have introduced towards west. So there was no road earlier, but one road they have developed, and housing facility and more housing apartments they have added. Okay, so you can see this restaurant. So instead of shops, they have converted all the shops into restaurant, and along with hotel, car parking, they have added this facility. Earlier it was only hotel. And yeah, you can see along with this road, apartments they have added, and cafe they have not touched. Cafe is same as it was in 1995. And in sea, they have changed something, like they have removed fishing port area. Only that is natural area they have seen. Now these are the changes you can see here. Now coming to the vocabulary part. See, I have made it for you only that so that you can see the colorful changes, but in your question paper you will not get the color changes. But of course, for my video I have created it, so that is your duty to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, now coming to the vocabulary part. So what is vocabulary? As I told you, yeah, something they have changed from farmland into golf course. You can say that farmland area has been transformed into golf course. So transformation, converted, farmland area has been converted into golf course. Okay, all directional words, as you know. So north, south, east. So here this is north. I am just explaining it again. So north, south, west, east. So this area is known as northwest. You can't say west north, no. So direction, side direction will start from north and south only, not from west and east. Okay, this is northwestern, this is northeastern region. Okay, so this area is between this and this, along with this and all, everything southeast, and this area is known as southwest. Okay, this is known as central or middle part of the area or map. So changes, developed, facilities, amenities. Facilities they have added, or amenities. Conversion of, so something they must have converted, like they have converted forest park into tennis courts. Okay, expansion of something, they have expanded, like they have expanded housing facilities over there from as far as 4. Now they have been expanded the housing facility over here. Okay, so here untouched means they have not touched. So like cafe, they have not touched, they have not transformed something into cafe. So cafe is same, cafe is untouched or unchanged. Alterations means variations. Built, constructed, some building they, if they have constructed, then you can use the word built, or constructed or reconstructed the things. Now extension, extended means, extension means expansion. Modernize, something they must have modernized, or like new thing they have added. Renovated means the old thing they have renovated, they have renovated into something different building. Replace, same thing. Relocate to means earlier, suppose shops are here, and in new map suppose they have constructed shops here, so you can say relocated the shops area to another part of the map. So narrow down is means a small thing they have done, like suppose if a farm park, forest park was there, but they have narrowed down the area of farm park here, suppose, then you can use this word narrowed down. Okay, so this is my vocabulary. You can watch the video again. But now coming to the introduction. So what introduction we are going to write it. Now again look at the question and the map. Question is this only. The map below shows the development of the village of Ryemouth between 1995 and present. There are two maps. We have analyzed the map. Now what is the method of writing details? First, as you know, there are 4 paragraphs. Okay, and criteria is not less than 150 words, but your words are really good, then if it is 140 or 45 then doesn't matter, but try to write, when you will be writing all the things about map and important alterations, then definitely your words will become 170 or 180, I am sure. 4 paras. First paragraph will be introduction. I will show it to you, just a minute. So first introduction, overall paragraph, and then we have first map, and then second last paragraph we will be discussing about the last map of this. So first introduction, how I have used the introduction. The two maps illustrate the changes that have taken place in the village of Ryemouth since 1995. The two maps, you can just look at the statement again. I will show it to you. Instead of below, what we have, instead of shows, we have used illustrate, because we are just adding two maps. Shows the development of the village of this between this. So how I have changed the introduction? The two maps illustrate the changes that have taken place in the village of Ryemouth since 1995. Okay, now coming to the overall, what you can see after looking at the map thing. Overall, it is apparent that the village witnessed a great deal of changes between 1995 and now, or you can write here present also. Some new facilities such as golf course, a tennis court. No, it is not a tennis court. Tennis courts, there were two tennis courts. Apartments and car parking amenities have been added in the map. Okay. Now coming to the third paragraph, I am going to explain everything about first map. What the things are there in first map, I will be explaining everything in body paragraph 3 in past tense. Okay, so you can see this. Ryemouth village in 1995. So I have cleared the examiner that I am going to explain about this 1995 map. There was a big farmland and forest park in the northeast region, in northeast direction. At the end of the map, towards south, touching coastal area where fishing port was located, two roads were running in two directions, from northwest to the southeast and other opposite side. So two roads are there. You can see this. You can see the map. Two roads. One road is here and second road is here. Okay. So after that, we have explained about two roads were running in two directions, from northwest to the south and other opposite side. Fish market and shops were running alongside the southwest to southeast road. That is road name. Besides this, many housing facilities were present towards northeast side of the map. So I have used so many words relating to directions. Okay. Now coming to the last paragraph, that is comparison, present to past. Here comparison is important. You can see this. With regards changes that have happened to the western. That's why rereading of your essay is important. So now after writing, I am reading it with you for making this video. With regards changes that have happened to the western side of the village, the road which was running towards south direction has been extended to the west. I will show you the change. So there were two roads already. Now this road has been extended. This new road towards the west they have created. Now next, the fish market and seaport, the southwest of the village, the southwest of the village have also been removed, and in place of the fish market, apartments have been constructed. Okay, I will show you this change. Now you can see this fishing port they have removed. Okay, and fish market, instead of fish market they have just constructed apartments, and they have removed seaport. Only sea is there, and cafe they haven't changed. This line I have forgotten to write it. The cafe area, the cafe was remain untouched. So now we have discussed about roads, that they have extended the roads, and fish market and seaport also we have just discussed. Now the final thing is left. Now the final thing is left. Instead of farmland and park area, they have converted into golf course and 2 tennis courts. I will be writing, and of course this car parking they have added with hotel. Okay, let's write it. So the farmland and forest areas have been transformed into tennis courts. There are 2 courts and a golf course. A car parking facility has also been added or built to the east of the hotel located on the southeastern region. So many vocabulary words I have used it. You can see this and you can match these vocabulary. Learn these vocabulary words for map activity. Okay. Thank you so much.